Welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird of the day is the northern shrike. This is an uncommon bird. It will be hard to find, but I have found them in the past. I decided to chase after the most recent sighting on eBird. It looks like I'm going back to Kettle Lakes. My one issue was the weather. It's November in Colorado, and for some reason it's raining.
It's a little wet out, but we're surviving.
I braved the icy rain and searched the lakes and the surrounding fields for any sign of my bird. I found a slightly soggy kingfisher. This one is a male with a plain white belly and no rusty belt. I saw some red trash in the trees and 2 mallard butts. I saw the local cormorant in his element. I managed to spot a wet red-tailed hawk. Despite seeing red-tailed hawks daily, they're always a welcome sight. This one took flight, probably in search of a more dry spot. I was battling the rain, trying to keep my camera as dry as possible, but the weather continued to worsen. Unfortunately, I was unable to find my bird of the day. Don't worry, I'll get that northern shrike someday. Maybe when it's not pouring rain.